We're going to be keeping our eye on the sky because we're going to have some thunderstorms roll through. You know, the day started so nice, clear skies.
It did.
Look at that. Look at how the cloud cover has just built out to the west. This is going to be the trend now through the rest of the day. It's also warmer than it has been. We're up to 78 degrees here in Denver. I think we'll add at least another 3-4 degrees onto the high. Most of us topping out in the lower 80s this afternoon. CBS 4 radar showing some rain in southwest Colorado. It's raining down in the San Juans. I mentioned earlier in the show we still have exceptional drought in southwest Colorado, so we'll take all the rain we can get around Telluride and down toward Durango. A couple thunderstorms have occurred over in Delta County, but so far for Denver, the Front Range and the Eastern Plains, we've been dry, and that's what we've expected up to this point. Here are the hail reports from yesterday. They were all out on the far eastern plains, a place named Joe's, way out in far eastern Colorado, a little small town out there in Yuma County. They had ping pong ball size hail at one point yesterday. Today, I think some of these hail reports will be a little closer to Denver, but for most of us, if you get hail, it's going to be smaller than that. We're talking pea-sized, dime-sized hail. For the most part, the hail should not be large enough to do damage, but we'll be watching this. Some gusty wind also expected as these thunderstorms make their way toward Denver around 4 p.m. Now, remember, they will be scattered, so not everyone's going to see a thunderstorm. They will just skip over many areas. And then as we get into the late evening hours, sun goes down at 8:30, and by that point, most of the storm activity should be out on the eastern plains. Can't rule out a very isolated thunderstorm later than that, but by 8, 9 o'clock, most of the activity will be to the east. In terms of the severe weather outlook, we're at a 1 on the scale that goes from 1 to 5, so it's the lowest threat. They call it marginal. All the areas shaded in the green color, which is generally to the east and southeast of Metro Denver. If you're along the Palmer Divide, Douglas and Elbert counties, then you got a little better chance for seeing some hail, maybe up to the size of quarters compared to the rest of us. But without a doubt, the highest threat for severe weather is over in Oklahoma and southern Kansas. They're under an enhanced threat for severe weather, really concerned about some damaging wind by this evening thanks to that front. Once our thunderstorms get going in their direction this evening, could get really rough over there. For us, high pressure builds in tomorrow. That's going to just cut off the chance for thunderstorms. So sunny and dry for tomorrow and Friday. Hot as well as highs get up near 90 degrees. This next little storm system here, it misses us. It just goes up through Wyoming and then into the Dakotas. Because of that ridge of high pressure, just gets deflected away. So here are the high temperatures for today. We'll get close to 90 in southern Colorado, lower 80s around Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins. And then tomorrow we get up near 90 here in the metro area, mountain locations mainly in the 70s, and then even warmer on Friday. The downside, of course, all this warmth comes the fire danger. We've got a high fire danger now for the western slope. West of Vail Pass, red flag warning already has been posted for tomorrow. So this afternoon, we're talking about a 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms. Some storms producing some small hail, gusty wind, lightning, and perhaps some large hail in a few areas. And then tomorrow, 88 with sunshine. Friday, 91 for the weekend. Down to 80 on Saturday, 82 on Sunday. And what's notable, Britt, is every number you see on the screen, the highs and the lows, all of them above normal as we say goodbye to May and welcome June.
That is